Hey there! Imagine opening your inbox and seeing not just the usual white and gray, but your favorite photo, a soothing scene, or your brand's colors, making email feel a little more you. That's exactly what we're going to set up today, customizing the background theme in Gmail so it stands out. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're on a desktop or laptop browser. This works best in the full web version of Gmail, not the mobile app. Then go ahead and sign in to your Gmail account. Once you're in, look up at the top right and click the gear icon labeled Settings. In the Quick Settings panel, find the Theme section and click View All. You'll see a gallery of preset themes, scenic photos, solid colors, even a dark mode. If one of those fits your vibe, go ahead and click it, then hit Save and you're done. That alone gives your inbox a fresh look, but if you want to go a step further and use your own photo, maybe a memorable travel shot, a brand graphic, or a personal image. Here's how. Before returning to Gmail, open Google Photos and upload the image you intend to use. It's best to choose a high-resolution file, for example, 1920 by 1080 or higher, so it doesn't appear blurry in Gmail. Next, head back into Gmail's themes. View All panel, and in the bottom left, you'll find My Photos. Click that, then select the album or photo you uploaded. You'll see a preview. If the image looks good, hit Insert or Select depending on your version, then click Save. Now your inbox is personalized. While you're still in the theme window, you'll notice extra tweaks. Text background. Choose light or dark text so it stands out. Vignette darkens the corners for focus. And blur image softens background details so your email text pops. These options help ensure your custom image doesn't interfere with readability. Note, if these tweaks are grayed out, it may just be the particular theme you picked. So whatever your goal, a calmer background, something brand consistent, or just a fun change of scene, customizing your Gmail theme is easy and quick and gives your inbox a bit of personality. Thanks for watching. Give it a try right now, pick your image, upload it, and make Gmail yours. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips and tricks later. Until next time, happy customizing.